Okay, congratulations on downloading the student software for the TI nspire. When you open it, it should look something like this, where you can see the different applications that the calculator can actually do. Now, this screen here is obviously just a larger version of this area over here, so we can see it. Now, just make sure it's on the right setting, so it's got this icon of the calculator showing and not any of the other ones. We'll get to these later. So let's show the TI nspire with all of the buttons that it's got. So the main thing is going to be go to the on button, and we can see all of them applications again now. So over here we've got the scratch pad where we can toggle between the calculate and graph applications. To be honest though, I wouldn't worry too much about that unless you're just going to do some quick calculations. It's better to get into good habits straight away and just use the new documents every time. So on the bottom you can see the different applications, and as you get used to them, you'll be able to just click on these so you're a bit faster with it. So we'll open up a new document, and we can see the different icons again. So you can see that it's the calculator one, or the graph one, or the geometry, and so on. So let's try opening a calculator page, and all the pages are going to be displayed across the top here. So if you want to do normal calculations such as 9 add 6 to get the answer, all you have to do is press the enter key, and there your answer is. If you're doing something like 7 times by 3, you can see that instead of doing the times sign, it's doing the dot notation. So the answer is 21. If you're doing something like a division, so let's say we're doing 8 divided by 5, okay, and then click on the enter button, it's leaving in fraction notation. But if you wanted to have the decimal notation straight away, you did 8 divided by 5, you can click on the control button here and then the enter one, and that will do the rounding for you. So control and enter, so that's 1.6. That makes it a little bit easier. You can also highlight things and control C and copy it and put it down into here. So we can do control V, and now we have it to make things a little bit easier when you get to more complicated calculations. So let's say we wanted to open a graphing package. I would normally go to on and then type new document. Do I want to save this? No, not really. I want to delete it all, so no. And then I'm back to where I was before. So all the graph, geometry, all them applications are shown again. So let's have a look at a quick graphing package. You might be used to the y equals mx plus b or y equals mx plus c. And instead now we're going to get used to this function notation here. So the reason why it's got f1 is because you can actually plot 99 different functions on the same axes. So this is just basically the same as having y equals. So let's try and do y equals x. So the x is down here, click on it, y equals x, and then enter, and there the graph is. Okay, if for any reason that you made a mistake or you want to redo things, there is an undo button here above the escape key, so we can go to control and then escape and just delete it. Okay, to bring up where you want to write the different graphs or the equations again, you can click tab, and there it pops up again, and you can add as many as you want in there. Okay, so tip is to go to on and then new document. Do you want to save it? Probably no. 99 times that 100 is going to be no, so just go no and you're back to the beginning. I hope that's helped you a little bit. Stay tuned and I'll post some more videos soon.